In this presentation we are going to create a Word template. A Word template will keep all our formatting and the changes that we make to the style. So next time we want to create a document with a similar set of specifications that we have just created, we can call on that template and we don't have to recreate all of those settings again. However, Word 2010 will save the templates on the computer. And because we are moving from one computer to another, we are going to save our templates on a flash drive, and then we can take the flash drive with us wherever we want, and we always will have access to our personal templates. So let's go to my flash drive, and I have already created here a folder of a template. So just do a right mouse click, go to new and folder, and then create a new folder and call it whatever you want to call it, but make sure it is a name that is easily found by you later on. Alright, we are not finished yet, because what we have to do now is make Word point to that particular template. So every time we go onto a computer, we have to go into the Word program, the settings, and make sure we set our templates to that particular folder. To do that, we go to File, and then we go to Options, we go to Advanced, and then we go all the way down and we select File Locations. Now there you see User Templates, and as you can see, it is somewhere saved in a folder roaming Microsoft Templates on the C drive. Now we have to modify that, and we are going to then go to our flash drive, and we are going to select our folder in which we intend to save all our templates, and we say OK. And as you can see, it has now changed the name, and we say OK to that as well. And click OK. Now what we have to do now is prepare our document as a template. So we are going to File and then Save As, and we are going to save it as a Word template .dotx, and we now have to go to where we are going to save our personal templates. So in my case that is this particular flash drive. Open up the Office Templates folder, and I rename it as End User Documents. End User Document Templates, and press Save. Okay, what we now have to do is take all the stuff out that we don't need for a new document. So we can leave my title there, because I'm going to type in any title I want to for a new document. I still need a content chapter, but I don't need at this point in time the table of contents. The same with the figures. I'll leave the chapter heading of figures in, but I won't keep the table. Now I don't need any of this, including the pictures. So we'll delete that, and we take that last page out by hitting backspace. So all we now have is 2 pages. Although I could put in a page break, because that has to be the first page of the article. So let's redo a page break. Insert page break, and the footer, I can leave my name there. I can leave document example, because I'm going to change that name whenever I want to. What I might do though is take the number out of the version, and then I can put in any number I want to. Right, we'll save that, and now we got a template with all our particulars. Let's see if it works. If I now go to File and close this, and I go to File, and this time I want a new one, and I go to My Templates, and there is my template. And I can either create it as a document or as a template. Obviously I don't want to create a new template, I want a new document. I click on that, say OK, and now I've got all my settings there. I can start typing straight away now, using all the settings that we previously made in our template, and we don't have to go through that whole problem of making the new styles, setting up a new page format, page margins and so on. So this is how we create the template.